All right. Let's say health is wealth. So today we're going to be talking about spinach, amaranth, spinach, wild spinach, domesticated spinach. What's the difference? The difference between amaranth and spinach is that this spinach is the iron out of your body. Actually, it is the minerals out of your body, which is bad. It weakens your immune system. You see what I mean? Because once you don't have iron presence in your body, you are unable to absorb the minerals. So the biggest lie that has been told to my people, especially in my country, is that spinach is a healthiest crop to eat. Most people, they plant spinach, man. They eat a lot of spinach. When they say, hey, I'm eating healthy, I'm not eating meat and whatever, I'm eating healthy. What are you eating? I'm eating spinach. What a joke. Man, spinach eat the minerals out of you. This is bad for you. And then Thepe, in the other hand, which is the wild spinach, guess what it's considered as? It's considered a poor people food. Man. And guess what Thepe has, which is amaranth, callaloo, when you go to the Jamaicans' culture. Amaranth has all essential amino acids. And guess what else? It's high on iron, which is the opposite of your spinach that you are eating. This one right here, the one that is eating you, that you think you are eating, the one you should be eating is this one, because you'll be eating it. It will not be eating you. In fact, it will be empowering you. And it's high on protein. It's high on fiber. Man, it has so many sorts of different minerals, nutritional benefits that your body needs. I like this spinach. So this is our first official episode of deprogramming and learning. Yes, we're gonna do a lot of this on this channel of Health Bophelo. And please support, show love, share the message, so that other people can learn the truth about the food that they are eating, as we debunk this spinach that has a lot of false narrative of having health benefits, and actually it's the opposite. So yep, let's say peace.